Traders Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Tuesday, April 15th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks, had a great time in the WealthCharts live training room this morning. So on Tuesdays, I start at 8 o'clock Eastern in that WealthCharts live training room. And so those of you that were in, we started a downtrend here. You can see here the champion cross. We're in a sell zone. We got the retracement. And again, this was the entry I was looking for right here, where I have this line, sell zone, flat top, back in the direction of that trend. We also had, again, a TRP cross Laguerre with a HADS, right? We knew that could be something special for us. And so got into that trade on gold. This is gold on the 1 minute chart. It basically grabbed 10 ticks and got out since it was pre-market. Okay. Then second trade on the after the 9:30 open, having the S&P up here on the 1 minute chart. You can see we're in a sell zone. Champion cross is red. And retracement back in the direction of that trend right here was another solid trade here. I got out at 6 ticks. At 6 ticks there, folks. Just looking for a quick scalp on that particular opportunity. Okay. And now outside of the training room this afternoon, just kind of show you again the type of setups that I'm looking for here. You can see here we're in a sell zone. Again, this is still the 1 minute on the S&P. Okay, then right here, you see where we started getting the Heikin-Ashi flat tops, I call them. Very, very solid. Same thing here, has overextended, red dot, and then we have a matching TRP cross on Laguerre. Again, just a beautiful, beautiful setup. And then again, actually the same thing here, as you can see here. So those are the type of opportunities I'm patient for. You know, I get that a lot in the live training room. They say, Dr. Keith, you know, you're patient. You look for those best setups. And that. So if you want to learn a little bit more about that, so folks, I have something exciting to share. So tomorrow, Wednesday, at 10 o'clock Eastern, okay, I'm going to hold a special class on showing you my Heikin-Ashi techniques that I've been doing in front of folks, you know, in that WealthCharts live training room. And just as a reminder, I do have 20 PA accounts through Apex. Okay, I've had over $70,000 in payouts so far. And I'm going to show you this strategy and how I'm doing that. So it's becomeabettertrader.com/yes, www.becomeabettertrader.com/yes. And again, it starts at 10 o'clock Eastern tomorrow, Wednesday, April 16th. Hope to see you there. I wish you the best, folks, and have a great night. Take care.